Subir volume. Subir volume en móvil. Ah, la Check this out. This is our home base now, man. And when anchoring and settling into a new spot like this, it's pretty important to get into the local groove. You know, to get the feel of a new place, its people, its culture. It's not just a geographical location. Don't just stop for a day or two. Stay a while and get to know where you are. Get real. This is not Google, alright? We're going to visit the fort up there. It's called Fort Duque de Braganza. It defended the settlement of Salre from pirates who were after the loot from the salt trade there. Salre, which means Salt King in Portuguese, was settled near salt ponds to extract a then valuable resource. So then, the pirates and other colonial pirates would try to steal or conquer. There must be some colorful pirate myths and stories buried and sunk about this island. Pretty cool little island spot here, man. Great shots of Wendy. She's my muse. How can I not get great shots of her? I mean, jeez, look at her. Amazing. Now, the wealth here is the golden sand beaches that attracts tourists. The modern colonialist with cash to spend. The island is home to only about 10,000 people. Locals here mostly live off the service industry and some fishing. You know, Wendy's a bit show and a bit shy. She wasn't keen on swimming at first, but then, with the help of some little friends, she was grooving that mermaid in her. What a spot to get in the water and learn to enjoy. No regrets here, man. Well, what do you think, Wendy? That was good, Wendy?
Yeah, so cool. Nice.
Nice.
Obrigada. Insistente.
That's where we were. Ilha and Salre. Pretty cool. Wendy was swimming. That mermaid is coming out. It's inside. Huh? After a nice day, an amazing day out there on the islands. Some good food. Me and Wendy put it together. Got some great pork chops from a little butcher around here, man. Awesome. Yes, now this is the life. It's not always chill like this, but when it is, yeah. This is where we'll leave the dinghy. It's safe there, because today we're off to treat ourselves to lunch out. So we'll start with a nice walk along the beach to stir up the hunger. Wendy are here at this cool little restaurant, Temanche. Unfortunately, there's no food at the moment. We have to wait an hour, but we don't know if we want to wait an hour. So, Wendy's being good. She's only drinking Coca-Cola.
I can't resist. I have a beer. And then we're gonna go look for another place to eat something. But meanwhile, this place is awesome. It's nice. Check out this view. You can see Cabo in the distance. He said, whoa, he's the only one all the way up front there.
They have good food here, but you have to be here at the right time. Yeah, I know of another place.
So these are some of Wendy's favorite singers.
Words on the wall are lyrics to popular Cape Verdean artists.
She knows them. Put it in, put it in, put it in, put it in. This little restaurant, we were here once with Daniel, was really cool. And ladies here cool, I like the little decorations. I wanted to bring Wendy here. Trazer ele quando ele me sou. Obrigada. Beijo pra vocês. Vou querer comer hoje? Vou gostar?
Quem tá comendo xiximbo. Curioso.
Comer hoje? Não. A ser. She ate the fish eye, man. Can't believe it, she ate the fish eye. Oh, Maragueira Percezeri. A bit of a pussy, a wimp. She says I have to try.
I'm not into eating fish eyeballs, but to be honest, I never tried one. Can't judge without trying, right? Not bad, but I wouldn't order a whole bowl of those. Wendy had something in mind.
Here we go. Wendy's gonna fucking be in pain. She's gonna hurt. And let it wait. I wanna see her cry. Tô ia chorar.
Leva tudo os brincar quando puxa vai, mano.
Porque tem tropa.
She had asked me on a boat if I would pierce her ear. I was not prepared for that request and said no. Then I looked online for info and realized I could do it. I had the same needles. But since we were in town, we looked into a couple of tattoo parlors. I personally felt much better having a professional do that, poking around. Plus, he was cool and laid back. Took gentle care of Wendy. Okay, this is real, yeah. Does it hurt? Oh, no, really? The place was clean and professional and had a good vibe. And now Wendy looks the part of a modern pirate. Tattoos will come next, but not now when we want to be out in the sun and water. We also stopped for groceries. There's a good butcher who closes early, and Chinese supermarket who are a bit overpriced. This island is more expensive than San Vicente. Why? Tourists. I guess we just have to find ways to spend less. I mean, we don't really need much. And what about us? Are we tourists? Living out there on our luxury yacht? Do we look like tourists? Hell no. We're sailors. We're cool. Ultra cool. World travelers living in that yacht over there. Yeah, we're special. That's right. And are these people there tourists? Or do they live here? I think they do. It's hard to say. Maybe half and half. Now if I can only surf and Wendy swim.
Eduardo, tell us, what are you doing? What's your plan?
My plan is doing some research in South America, and first of all in Cabo Verde, all the islands, and afterwards head to Sao Tome and Principe.
Me and Eduardo, we haven't seen each other for like 4 years since COVID, and now he's back. It's so good to see him, but too bad he's going so fast, man.
Yeah, well, I'm doing research on whales, dolphins and whales, or marine mammals, and everywhere it can be done, and it works like Cabo Verde, that is a really nice place for this species.
Yeah, and he might go the wrong way around too, down to South Africa and so forth. But we'll see. The world is small. We'll see each other again for sure, man.
Sure.
Hello, welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Voyage, a real living adventure series. It's not fake, baby.